friends, here we taken system of equations, three equations with three unknowns x, y, z. We'll try to solve these unknowns x, y, z by using the Jacobi iterative method. We'll understood this method for the given system of equation. Initially we have to verify this. First, A1 element must be largest compared to other coefficients in that equation. B2 and C3, these are the largest elements in that equations compared with the other coefficients. If it is there, then we'll write down this is first, second and third equations. We have to put these notations or numbering to given equations. Then write down respectively first equation as in the form of x is equals to 17 minus y plus 2z upon 20. Y is equals to minus 18 minus 3x plus z upon 20. Now z equals to 25 minus 2x plus 3y divided by 20. So this become respectively x, y, z equations. We start with the first approximation. First iteration, x0, y0, z0. Initially these three values we have to assume to be 0. So first approximation, x1 become 17 minus y0 plus z0 upon 20, that is 17 upon 20, output it is 0.85 y1. First approximate value of y, y1 minus 18 upon 20, but x0, z0 these are 0, so minus 18 upon 20 minus 0.9 z1, 25 minus 2x0, only x value and y, it become x0, y0 upon 20. After this we have 25 upon 20, that is 1.25. This completes our first iteration. This is first approximate value of x, first approximate value of y and z. Write down this value in the table format, 0.85. Now we will calculate second approximate value, second iteration. In second iteration, assume x1 equals to y1 equals to z1 is equals to, these three values will fix for the second iteration. So in the formula of x2, y2 and z2, wherever x, y, z occurs, we'll use these three values. First, x2 is equals to, now we have x1 formula, in that only we have to change y1, z1 upon 20. Initially I will write down that values also, 17 minus y1, z1 whole divided by 20, and the value of this expression 1 point, calculate this on the calci, and the output is 1.02. y2 second, minus 18 minus 3x1 plus z1 upon 20. You substitute here x1 value, z1 value, calculate this. Y2 it is 9650. Z2 25 minus 2x1 plus 3y1 upon 20. Substitute x1, y1, these values. After that, so this complete our second iteration. Now we'll put this value in the table. 0200 x2 minus 0.9650 sorry. So this is in the table. Now we'll calculate third approximation x3. Third approximation, in that we have to fix x2, y2, z2, then we calculate third approximation. We have the formula, in that only will make change. 17 minus y1, instead of that become y2, and here I am directly writing that y2 value plus z2 divided by 20, and the output of this it is, should I write directly here, 1.0013. Next, y3, this formula, minus 18 minus 3x1, that is x2 here, plus z2 divided by 20 is equals to, calculation of this, minus 0.965, not 5, I written the previous value actually, minus 1.0015, Z3, this 25 minus 2x2, x2 value, plus 3 y1 value, minus 0.9650 divided by 20, output of this which is equals to, so this complete our third iteration. We'll put here that value, minus 1.0015, 1. So third iteration we completed. Now we continue for the fourth iteration. In that fourth iteration, fix values of x, y, z. So x3 it is, y3 it is, z3 it is. So x4 become, you can directly write down from this, or we have the formula here. So x4 becomes 17 equation, y3 plus 2z3 upon 20, use respective values of y3, z3 here, then x4 become y4 formula or equation 3x3 plus z3 upon 20, use here x3 value, z3, calculate this, y4 it is, then fourth approximation for z, 25 minus 2x3, 3y3 upon 20, output of this it is 0.00096. So these values 4 minus 1.0. Now I calculated fifth iteration. So values of that fifth iteration are x1, 1 point, this 1 point. So you calculate at least 5 iterations or 3 iterations and the next 2 iterations in a table format, and the last values in the fourth or the fifth iteration will claim here value of x is equals to 1, value of y equals to minus 1, this is the approximate value, value of z equals to 1. So we find here unknown values x, y, z 1 by using the Jacobi iterative method.